So one coach said onboarding a new client manually can take weeks. So I built this client onboarding kit. I give it my offer and the client details and click generate, and it creates the welcome note for me. So the timeline, the checklist, first steps in about a minute. So here is how it actually works. So you have the onboarding client kit, and what you're going to be doing here is putting in your offer here and your client's information here. So if you got a new client and you want to onboard them with all of your details, this is going to save you so much time. So you put in your offer here and you click generate. And what it does is it creates a welcome note. It creates what to expect, what I need from you so you can send this off to your new client. How we'll work together. It talks about all the details on how we're going to work together, the first steps on getting started. And then you have a FAQ down here. So how does the payment work? What about revisions, resume, LinkedIn, outreach, drafts, all of that. So all of that is created from just this content that you put in here and just all this information you put in for your client. So you're going to need an API key to make it work. But once this is created, any new client you have, you put this right in here. And this can be created right onto your desktop. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to give you the prompt and you can set this up and start giving your clients an onboarding, basically all the information they need to get them up and running with your new, whatever your new business is, whatever your business and your offer is. So the first thing we want to do is you want to copy your prompt, and you're going to put this into Claude and let this Claude generate this for you. So here we have Claude Code, and this is going to be where you're going to paste the prompt in here. What I recommend you doing is on your local machine, find a folder that's going to be your client onboarding kit. Paste the code inside of here and then hit submit. And what's going to happen is this Claude's going to go out there and create this dashboard for you, put it into your computer. Now you don't need a VPS server, you don't need any type of hardware. All you need is your computer and this prompt, and you need Claude Code. So once you get Claude Code set up, you run this, and then it will create this onboarding kit for you. So I'm gonna let this run right here, and then once Claude gets done, we'll show you the end results. So Claude is just now getting finished up with this. Its server is done. It takes about 3 minutes, I think, to get this completely done. And then once it's done, you'll be set up. Again, you're going to need your API keys. You're going to need API keys from either Claude, OpenAI, or OpenRouter. You can use all three of those. But once you put your API key in there, then you click on the content, hit generate, and it runs through the API key, and it'll output all your information. So it looks like it created the page for us. So we're going to open this up into our local driver or our local computer, or just basically our local computer here. And if it doesn't open up for you, just copy and paste the URL. It's going to be a local host. This is localhost 1620 for me right here. So it pops up right here. And so this is the end result here. Now this is a little differently than the one I had set up before. So every time Claude runs it, it might change a few things. First thing you want to do is go to settings and put your API key in here. Claude, you got OpenAI and OpenRouter. So right here is you're going to be your offer and your client. So your offer, what is it you're offering? Is it a 12-week career accelerator, one-on-one coaching that helps mid-career product managers land a senior role without spraying 40 applications a week? So you have your tone that you put in here. So then you have your client, your business background, your package that they bought, 12-week career accelerator, their goal, with what do they want accomplished with this, and then the start date. And then you hit generate. Once it generates, it's going to put out a welcome note that you can send to your new client, what to expect over the next 12 weeks right here, what I need from you. So this is going to be a breakdown, what you're going to need from your client and how we'll work together. So right here, you're going to have how we'll work together. You copy that, send it off to your client. Here's the first steps, and then an FAQ. So it breaks down everything for you. So all you gotta do is copy and paste this, send this to your new client, and your new client will be onboarded without any issues. It'll make life so much easier for you than having to template this or having to go in here and hand copy or hand write all this stuff out. Put it into the generator here. It spits out everything and get your new client onboarded quickly. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can go there and pick up the prompt. Also, if you're on X, you can just DM me and I'll send this off to you.